Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Lana Agustina from the English Education Elementary 5. I want to explain it about the mini research of the classroom action research. Okay, let's go. The title of the mini research is Improving Student Speaking Skill by using Show and Tell method, a classroom action research. Next, abstract. The research findings show that there were improvement on student speaking skill. In Cycle 1, the process of teaching learning with show and tell method suggested a potential improvement. The researchers found some minor technical problems and weaknesses that leaves room for improvement. Afterwards, necessary alterations and revisions were done and later applied in Cycle 2 and 3. Next, introduction. The introduction of the mini research is: speaking becomes one of the 4 skills to be mastered by junior high school students besides listening, reading, and writing. There are interactive processes of constructing meaning that involves producing and receiving and processing information. By speaking, the students are expected to be able to communicate and express the meaning of language in a translation and interpersonal spoken text to interact with surroundings. In teaching and learning process, speaking seems difficult to students. 2. Review literature. In Indonesian classroom context, teaching speaking is quite challenging for English teachers. This is due to lots of limitation on teachers' parts as well as students. That is why in teaching and learning process, teachers ideally need so many variations of attractive methods of teaching the speaking skills to stimulate students to participate more in learning speaking and improve their ability in speaking. 3 methods. Classroom action research is a part of a broad movement that has been going on in education. It is related to the ideas of reflective practice and the teachers as researchers. In these methods, there are 4 components in one cycle for conducting classroom action research: planning, action, observation, and reflections, which were conducted integrally like pair. 4. Result and discussion. So the action research using the 3 data. First, the data consists of tests. 2, the supports the data, and then 3, the data of tests. And then before the researchers starts doing the research on the subjects of this research, the students' speaking skills was very low, particularly challenging in terms of vocabulary competence. In extensions, students were also mostly very reluctant to participate in classroom discussions or doing speaking activities. 5. Conclusion. The conclusion of the mini research is: show and tell methods was implemented by asking the students beforehand to bring objects related to the topic of the lessons and then ask to narrate the random objects they had gathered first. Since the first cycles when the methods of show and tell was implemented, the researchers had already noticed an improvement during the process of teaching and learning process. particularly in speaking tasks. And then last, can the reference of the mini research.